Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing or unbagging, whatever, DoorDash bag. Okay, let's see what's in here. A card. DoorDash mask. It has the logo. See? Just where it comes from. Hand sanitizer. It's like the welcome bag for DoorDash. Get some hand sanitizer, little bottle, and the bag to put in the food where you're delivering. Yep. You can see inside. That's the side view. You can definitely put standard size containers in here pretty well. Couple, one or two in here, and close the top. Huh. Not bad. You get this for free if you start working with DoorDash. Huh. Nice. Yeah, I said Dash. Welcome kit. This is the welcome kit. Alright, this has been the welcome kit for DoorDash. Thanks for watching and talk to you next time.